Hi students, today this topic fractions and decimals. This is for chapter 2. First one, fraction. Fraction is a number representing a part of whole. The number above the line is called the numerator. And the number below the line is called the denominator. Fraction is a number representing part of a word. The number above the line is called the numerator, and the number below the line is called the denominator. Therefore, fraction equal to, this is line, the number above the line, this is above the line means numerator. A denominator. So the number above the line is called the numerator, and the number below the line is called the denominator. This is fraction equal to numerator by denominator. Next one, types of fraction. Types of fraction, first one, proper fraction. A fraction in which numerator smaller than the denominator. A fraction in which numerator is smaller than the denominator is called the proper fraction. Example, a fraction which numerator smaller than the denominator. So numerator value smaller. 1 by 3, 5 by 7, 8 by 11, so etc. This is for proper fraction. Next one, second one, improper fraction. Improper fraction, a fraction in which a numerator, say numerator greater than the denominator. A fraction in which numerator greater than the denominator. Here numerator smaller than, here numerator greater than the denominator is called the improper fraction. Improper fraction. Say example. Here numerator greater than the denominator. So 8 by 5. Here numerator small number, denominator greatest number. Here numerator greatest number, denominator lowest number. 11 by 7. 15 by 8, etc. This is improper fraction. Third one, mixed fraction. A fraction which is in the form of a whole number and a proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. Example, a fraction which is in the form of a whole number and a proper fraction. Already in a whole number, here 1. This is for whole number and a proper fraction 2 by 5. So this is for mixed fraction. Right? 4, 9 by 11. 6, 7 by 15, etc. This is for mixed fraction. Fourth one, like fraction. Like fraction. Fractions, fractions having the same denominator. Same denominator is called the like fraction. Is called the like fraction. Example, here denominator fully same. So 1 by 5, 9 by 5, 11 by 5, 3 by 5, etc. So denominator fully same number. So this is like fraction. Next one, unlike fraction. Fraction having the different denominator. Different denominator is called the unlike fraction. Fractions having the different denominator is called the unlike fraction. Like fraction same denominator, unlike fraction different denominator. Example, 5 5 by 7, 9 by 7, 11 by 15, 3 by 5. So here different topic. So this is unlike fraction. Next one, unit fraction. Unit fraction. Proper fraction whose numerator is 1 is called the unit fraction. Proper fraction whose numerator is 1 is called the unit fraction. Example, 1 by 7, 1 by 11, 1 by 8, 1 by 15. This is unit fraction. Next one, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. A fraction is same value as another example, 1 by 2 equal to, here what coming, 2 by 4, 2 by 4 equal to 4 by 8 equal to 8 by 16 up to continuous. This one, a fraction is same value as another value also. Here 1 by 2, here multiply 2, here also multiply 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Same here 2 multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here also 2 multiply 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So these are equivalent fractions. So this is equivalent fraction. These are the types of fraction. One for proper fraction, second one improper fraction, third one mixed fraction, fourth one like fraction, fifth one unlike fraction, sixth one unit fraction, this one equivalent fractions. Thank you. Next topic, multiplication of fraction. That is multiplication of fraction. First one, multiplication of a fractional number by a whole number. You take one number for fraction number, another number for whole number. Here fractional number into whole number. How to this one multiply? First, numerator of fraction into whole number. By denominator fraction. Here fraction number into whole number. Here fraction number by a whole number. How to multiply? Numerator of fraction into whole number divide denominator of fraction. Example, 4 4 by 7 into 3. Here 4 by 7 is fraction number into 3. This is whole number. How to multiply? Here numerator of fraction into whole number. So this one into this. 4 into 3 divide 7. 4 into 3 12 divide 7. Second one 11 by 15 into 5. This one 11 into 5 divide 15. 11 5s are 55. Divide here 15. This two here divide 5. Here also 5. 5 how many is of 55 equal to 11. 5 how many is of 15? 3. Third one example 2 1 by 3. This is mixed fraction into whole number 5. Here mixed fraction having you change it to improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 3 into 5. This one how to multiply? 7 into 5 divide 3. 7 5s are 35. Divide 3. This is for multiplication of a fractional number by a whole number. You take one fractional number, another one whole number. Second one, multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Both are fraction. Fraction by a fraction means product of fraction. There's two fraction. Product of numerator, product of denominator. Example. First one 3 by 2 into 5 by 7. 3 by 2 into 5 by 7 equal to product of numerator. This one here numerator. This also numerator. So 3 into 5 divide product of denominator. Here denominator, here also denominator. So 2 into 7. 3 5s are 15 divide 2 7s are 14. This is for multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Another one example 2 1 by 3 into 6 by 5. This one mixed fraction having. We change it to improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 3 multiply 6 by 5. This one to multiply 7 into 6 divide 3 into 5. 7 6 are 42 divide 3 5s are 15. This is for multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Next one, multiplication of 3 or more fraction. This one product of fraction equal to product of the numerator divide product of the denominator. product of fraction equal to product of their numerator divide product of their denominator. Example, first one, 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 into 8 by 7. This like here numerator having, denominator also having. Product of their numerator means 1 into 3 into 8 divide 2 into 5 into 7. This is numerator, here denominator. 1 3 is a 3, 3 8 is a 24 divide 2 5 is a 10, 10 7 is a 70. Another one example, 3 by 7 into 2 by 5 into 5 by 3. Same this like 3 into 2 into 5 divide 7 into 5 into 3. This one multiply 3 2s are 6. 6 5s are 30 divide 7 5s are 35. 35 3s are 105. So this is multiplication of 3 or more fraction. More 4 5 that like fraction coming, same this like answer. Next one, fraction as an operator. A fraction used with the word of. Of means, this one of operator means multiplication operation. Thus, of represent multiplication of operator. Example, first one, 1 by 3 of 12. Here 1 by 3 of 12 equal to 1 by 3. This one of means equal multiplication operator. So you put multiplication symbol. Next one, 12. 3 how many times of 12? Here 4 times. So equal to 4. Second one, 1 by 5 of 30. 1 by 5 of 30 equal to 1 by 5 of means multiplication, here 30. Here 5 how many times of 30 means 6 times. So 1 into 6 equal to 6. Third one, 3 divide 4. 3 divide 4 of 20. 3 divide 4 of 20 means 3 by 4 multiply here 20. 4 how many are 20 means 5 times. So here 3 having, here 5. So 3 into 5 equal to 15. This is fraction as an operator.